everybody, welcome to a new YouTube video. A very cool brand sent me a big grow light. Now in case you're wondering which brand, it is Glowrium. This specifically is the Glowrium G3 standing grow light. It has a timer. It also has different light modes. I like to have it on mode F. Of course you can turn it on and off. And one of the best features, you can dim it. You see that? That is amazing. For the past couple weeks I've had it on the 12-hour timer. So it automatically turns on at around 8:30 AM. And it'll also turn off at 8:30 PM. Nice. Now I chose this one specifically for my Monstera aurea, but it is so tall that even my other plants are enjoying it. This grow light is also very easy to set up. An easy click-in system. It has a weighted base, which is very nice so it doesn't fall over as easily. It has not one, not two, not three, but 4 extensions. That's amazing. We're using it for very small plants. Aww. I know, it is very cute. But when it's this size, it doesn't need all these extensions. You only need the first one and the second one. Look at how much smaller it is. But once it grows taller, it needs another extension. Don't worry, just pull the top part, take the middle extension, just slide it in. And now it's almost ready. Just connect the top part like this. And you're done. You see how amazing this product is? They are made of high quality LED chips, more specifically grow light chips that mimic the sun. Now let's take it back to its original height with no cuts so you can see just how easy and fast this process is. Okay, just remove the top part, add in the middle part, make sure it slides in just like that. Boom, we're done. That took 10 seconds. My plants have been loving this grow light. This grow light, my Monstera aurea grew 3 new leaves. Those used to be right here, but they were quite ugly because they were the first 2 leaves after I cut it. But the 3rd leaf is really pretty and it has a new one on the way. This is just within 1 month, by the way. My plants have tremendous growth, new growth everywhere. And this little Hoya Mathilda splash, this new branch, and this really long runner within 1 month. Now I have some more good news. You can buy this amazing grow light with 10% off on glowrium.com with the code PWJ10. I really recommend this product. It is quite a wide range, which again is why it's so nice that my other plants can enjoy it too. And like I just showed you, my plants are thriving. Except for this little thing. I think that the humidity is a little bit too low for my Queen Anthurium. The rest of the plants are thriving. Now Glowrium also ships to Europe. They ship to Germany, the Netherlands, Spain, Portugal, Finland, Sweden, Greece and Luxembourg. So head over to glowrium.com, use my code PWJ10 and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!